Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect a Bluetooth mouse to your DELL Pro 14. First of all, you have to make sure that your mouse is switched on. So switch it on, and after that, if your mouse has a display selection button, then select the display that you want your laptop to serve as. In my case, I'm going to be using the third one. Then you're going to have to make sure to put your mouse into pairing mode, so make sure that the LED indicator starts flashing rapidly. And after that, you will either see the notification with your mouse trying to connect, or if you don't see it, don't worry. You have to open Control Center, then expand the Bluetooth devices list by clicking this arrow icon right here. And then find your Bluetooth mouse on the list. Oh, it seems that my mouse just left the pairing mode. Okay, click on it. And it's connected. If you want to disconnect it, you have to go to More Bluetooth Settings, tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner of your mouse and select Remove Device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.